Today I'm blessed with working on this. Customer's absolute lack of maintenance. It's actually a friend of mine, and just replaced that hub and disc brake assembly over there in the beginning of the boating season. I would say probably like May. And you know, I stressed greasing and maintenance and seals, and here we are today. Now, I actually went and picked this up today. To be nice, unhooked it from his trailer at the boat ramp. That way when he gets done crabbing, it'll be fixed. But I mean, this is what no maintenance looks like, guys. Hey, thanks for watching the video. Appreciate your time. Please leave a comment down below. We're all about sharing knowledge and bouncing ideas off of each other. That's what YouTube's all about, and that's what my channel's all about. If you liked the video, please hit that like button. And if you want to stick around for some more, please subscribe. Again, appreciate it. See you on the next one.